Hello there, I hope you're all good. Welcome to the Boss TV, and this is Kimara-Kibaha Highway. It is a first ever 8-lane road stretching 19.2 kilometers from Kimara in Dar es Salaam to Kibaha town. Construction began in 2018 under Estim Construction Company, supervised by Tanzania National Roads Agency, Tanroads. The project involved extensive land clearing, approximately 120 hectares, and included the construction of 5 major bridges: Kibamba, Kiluvya, Mpiji, Mlongazala, and Mbezi Bridges. Also, there was a construction of multiple culverts, a railway crossing, as well as a new traffic lights at 9 major junctions along the route. A pedestrian bridge connects the Magufuli Bus Terminal with the Mbezi Mwisho bus stop, enhancing commuter safety and accessibility. Solar-powered streetlights illuminate the entire highway to improve nighttime visibility and security. The highway expansion facilitates smoother and faster movement of both goods and people. It supports the growing economic activities around Dar es Salaam, especially benefiting commuters traveling from upcountry regions and neighboring countries to Tanzania commercial hub. The upgraded infrastructure also includes the bus stand at Mbezi Luguruni and the feeder roads to improve access to the recently constructed Magufuli Bus Terminal, further enhancing public transport integration. Initially budgeted at 167 billion Tanzanian shillings, the project's cost increased to 218 billion shillings due to additional works and scope expansions, including infrastructure linked to Magufuli Bus Terminal development. This extension was improved by President Samia Suluhu Hassan, ensuring adequate financing to complete the expanded work. While the Kimara-Kibaha Highway section has been operational since late 2022, ongoing efforts continue to widen adjoining road sections of Morogoro Road leading up to it, including upgrades to accommodate bus rapid transit (BRT) lanes. Additionally, the road between Ubungo and Kimara is also undergoing expansion to 8 lanes to match the highway capacity. With completion projected around mid-2026, these improvements include dedicated service roads, pedestrian walkways, and advanced traffic management system to further decongest traffic and ensure road safety. Enjoy the video and tell me in the comment section what you think about this highway.